Ooh, yeah, I'm glad that's done. I just got done pruning all those trees back from the gutter so I don't get leaves up on the gutter, so I don't get rats or squirrels climbing up the trees and jumping over. What am I going to talk about next time? Well, I've been working on some stairs in the back, and I'm going to keep doing that, but I'm always thinking about other videos to do. And here's something right here. This is for some exhaust fans. And last time I walked around the house, I saw that up above. I thought, no, that's too high. Rats won't climb up there or anything. But I'm going to have to scope this out. But I think this is for some exhaust fans or for something. And I look up underneath there and see there's a lid there. But see, it's just kind of flopping, and I kind of did this earlier and a lot of dirt fell down in there. But a squirrel or a rat, mouse can climb up here. They could lift this up and they can go right in there and make a nest. And if you were watching my videos before, I was showing you on the other side of the house. I had another vent. It was a little bit smaller than that, and a rat climbed up there to some other exhaust fans, and he built a nest right inside the exhaust fan. And that was the way he came in and out. He couldn't get into the house, he could just get into the exhaust fan. Well, I'm going to have to scope out and see where that goes, but either way, I need to cut a little piece of wire there. And I know it's not a dryer vent. If it was a dryer vent, I wouldn't want to put a screen there, but I need to put a little screen on there and screw it in, fix that. That's something I know I need to do. And you know, when I walk around the house, I always come up with other things that I see. You always got some sort of maintenance. Look at this here. This has been getting worse. This is just some railroad ties. This is supposed to be right up tight, and initially they nailed it with some long nails in there, and it's come loose. This one's starting to loosen up. Look at this one here. This is supposed to be the same height as that. If you can look down there, you can see there's a big long spike that they had nailed from the other side into there, and this is pulled. This one here is pulled away, and I'm going to have to fix that. Here's the next one. This one's loose. Look how far this one's loose. See, here's the nail, big huge nail coming up, and it was in there before. There's another one there. And we've been in here about a year, a little over a year now, and this wasn't near this bad, and just over, you know, it wasn't perfect either, mind you. This house is 18 years old, and just over 1 year it's separated a little bit, and I know I'm dreading having to do this, but I know this is going to have to be done one of these days as well. So always something I can do to make videos and show you how it's done. Hey, here's a tip for you. When you're working outside and you're coming out the side door out of your garage and stuff, and you're in the backyard, you're in the side yard, you're in the front yard, you want to come back and forth through here because you don't want to leave your garage door open, your main garage door where your cars are, make sure you lock this. That's what I usually do, because if I'm in the backyard or the side yard on the other side of the house and I leave this unlocked, somebody could come in through the front and go right in my house, right? Or if you've got somebody in there right now, Mommy's in there all by herself, and if I was in the backyard and I had this door unlocked, I wouldn't feel too comfortable, depending on where you live and all that kind of stuff. But hey, accidents do happen, and you don't want to kick yourself later for like saying, oh man, yeah, I should have locked that. I had the key right here in my pocket, and I should have just locked that. Why didn't I? Well, that's what I do, and you should too.